Wait, remember that mystery device DJI teased way back? The RC Track? Yeah, the one we thought would show up with the Air 3S last year. Turns out that never happened. Then the rumor mill said it might drop with the Mavic 4 Pro, but nope, that didn't happen either. Now, the FCC dropped the user manual and some hands-on pics, so clearly this thing is or was real. But Jasper Ellens thinks DJI may have messed up the product line altogether. He even hinted it could be delayed big time or scrapped completely, so right now, still a giant question mark over its future, especially since some of its features might have already been folded into the RC Pro 2. Kinda makes you wonder if DJI is just trying to quietly shift directions. But here's what we do know. The RC Track is designed to control subject tracking, drone positioning relative to you, and follow features, but it doesn't handle full manual flight or camera controls by itself. It's built specifically for creators who want to nail those dynamic solo shots without constantly babysitting the sticks. One of its coolest tricks? 8 little lights around the controller show you exactly where the drone is in relation to you. Front, back, left, right, even the diagonals. So if your drone's behind you to the right, the light tells you, you don't even have to look at the screen. Then there's this position control dial. You just rotate it to change the drone's angle around you. Like, imagine repositioning your drone mid-run without stopping to fiddle with joysticks. And if you need to get closer or higher, there are buttons for adjusting distance and altitude on the fly. At the heart of it is the Go button. Tap it once to start tracking, double tap to start the motors, hold it down, and boom! Return to home kicks in. It even acts as a handoff tool if you're flying with another operator. Speaking of that, this thing really makes sense in a 2-operator setup. One person flies and manages tracking using the RC Track, while the other handles the camera from the main remote. That's super handy for cinematic shots where precision is everything. As for connectivity, it runs on DJI's OcuSync system and supports all the usual bands, 2.4, 5.1, 5.8 gigahertz. You also get Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for nearby stuff. There are LEDs to show your connection, signal strength, and battery status. Power-wise, it's got a built-in 1750 milliamp hour battery and charges via USB-C. Tap the power button once and it shows the battery level. So yeah, the RC Track isn't your typical controller. It's more of a creative tool for when you want reliable, intelligent tracking without juggling all the controls. Now we're just stuck waiting to see if DJI ever actually releases the thing, or if it's gonna stay in limbo forever. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Peace.